everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back onto my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a video. If you are returning, hey Shook Muffin. Alright y'all, so today is Monday, so I have yet another human hair wig review for you. This hair was kindly sent to me from Julia Hair, which is a vendor on Amazon. So shout out and a huge thank you to Julia Hair for sending me this wig. So today I will be reviewing their Brazilian 100% virgin human hair capless wig with a full bang. She's glueless, she comes with 150% density, and she is 14 inches long. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video. So for my thoughts on this wig, if you are a beginner at wearing human hair wigs, this is definitely beginner friendly. For human hair specifically, no gluing whatsoever. This is very beginner proof, y'all. You just get a whole full wig cap. Nothing to glue down. Now there are no combs, so I do have on my good wig grip just to make sure she stays in place. Now, because it's a human hair wig, like I always mention when I'm doing human hair reviews, I always wash my human hair wig. So I have co-washed and deep conditioned this hair before I have put it on my head. I went ahead and blow dried it off camera as well as flat ironed it off camera. Because, you know, everybody knows how to blow dry and flat iron. I'm not going to waste your time with that. And I have other videos if that's something you really want to see. Alright, so some of the pros of this wig, I actually love this style. Y'all know I'm not normally a fan of the bang, but I can actually do this one. I feel like this one is really cute. I would certainly grab this and go out the door. No question. Super cute style, very nice and soft texture, very comfortable wig cap. I think I could say that this is all hair friendly. Like, there's still some room in here. Even though I have my wig grip on, she's not feeling like super tight or anything like that. The cap is very stretchy, so very comfortable fit. There's absolutely no parting space on here, so no worries there, right? Another pro. No worrying about putting no foundation powder or none of that. Not even in the center. Now this is like your typical or standard like circle closure here at the top, at the crown. I absolutely love this length. Y'all know I'm just a fan. Like, this is just a natural, very comfortable length. You're not going to be all super high. You ain't going to have to worry about a whole lot of tangling going on. And also with this unit, I'm not experiencing any shedding. So no tangling, no shedding. Like, these are win-wins here. Now, of course, there are some cons, y'all. So the density of this unit says 150. I'm not so sure. It's super thin, and it could just be the construction of the wig. So it doesn't feel that thin here. Actually, it kind of does. It's really not that full either. However, when I washed this unit and was going to blow dry it, I was seeing all kind of track. And yeah, the hair was wet, so it's a little easier to see when it's wet. However, even as I was blow drying it and finished blow drying it, like I had to work so hard to get, it was like a pinch of a closure. It was such a pinch of closure hair that you had to spread out to kind of cover that little track area right here in the center. Y'all know, whether a video is sponsored or not, I'm going to be completely honest and transparent. But honestly, y'all, that's really my only con. I don't have any other cons with this unit. Alright, so let's talk about the price. Again, this unit can be found on Amazon.com, and the price is $76.90. So I feel like that's very affordable for a human hair unit. You know, it's already styled with a bang. It's very beginner friendly. It's comfortable. It's a nice length. It's no tangling. It's no shedding. So for all of those perks, I would say it's worth it. It's just this little middle crown area that you just got to work with. You just got to get creative. and making sure that that's covered. So that's really all that I have with this quick and easy slay, y'all. Like, that's it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let's go ahead and chat about her. Alright, thanks so much for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.